According to traditional Chinese culture, good Feng Shui brings good luck, while bad Feng Shui brings bad luck. You might want to know how you can make good Feng Shui for yourself according to your Chinese zodiac animal sign. A simple introduction to Feng Shui arrangements for the 12 zodiac signs. Before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Now let's begin. Rats add water in the north. The water element helps people born in a year of the rat to make a fortune. They should place a water tank with some goldfish in the north of their office, and then fortune will find its way to them. Ox add fire. People born in a year of the ox can only make a great fortune with the help of a strong fire element according to the 5-element theory, so they should put some ceramic articles in their offices or bedrooms to bring themselves good luck, because ceramic articles are heated by fire. Tiger add earth. The earth element is very helpful for the people born in a year of the tiger. It's necessary for them to add something prominent representing the earth element, for example a potted plant, to their life to make a great fortune. It's better if the potted plant bears fruit abundantly, which will help people born in the year of tiger to make a profit from all sides. Rabbits add earth in the northeast. When it comes to making a fortune, people born in a year of the rabbit need an invisible earth element in their life. They should hide a jade item in the northeast of their bedrooms to bring themselves good luck. It's believed that jade, buried in the earth for thousands of years, is the essence of heaven and earth, and will bring good luck to people born in a year of the rabbit. Dragons add water in the northwest. The northwest direction is ideal for people born in a year of the dragon to make a fortune. They should put a basin of clear water with a handful of soil in the northwest of their bedrooms, and then place several lotus flowers in the basin to bring them good luck in their life. Snakes add metal in the west. As far as making a fortune is concerned, the direction west is ideal for people born in a year of the snake. Wearing metal ornaments, particularly gold or silver ones, will bring good luck. It's believed that wearing gold and silver ornaments, metal element influence, will ensure people born in a year of the snake won't need to worry about food and clothes, even if they do not make a huge fortune. Horses add metal in the northwest. The direction northwest is ideal for people born in a year of the horse to make a huge fortune. They should place a bronze toad, something of the metal element, in the northwest of their bedrooms, and it will bring them good luck both in career and fortune. Goats add wood in the north. The direction north is ideal for people born in a year of goat to make a huge fortune. They should place a mahogany box, a wood element item, in the north of their office, and then put an object related to their professions in the box. For example, a cook can put a ladle in the box. Monkey add wood in the west. In terms of making a fortune, the direction west is ideal for people born in a year of the monkey. They should put a plant. It is better if the plant is taller than the person, in the west of their houses. When it comes to making a fortune, people born in a year of the rooster should put some grass seeds in a non-metal container, and it should be a dark red enameled one. Use the earth element, not metal. Rooster add wood. The grass seeds in the container contain limitless possibilities, which will bring people born in a year of the rooster huge fortune. Dogs add wood. As far as making fortune is concerned, those born in a year of the dog should avoid the water and earth elements in life. They should place some peach tree branches, a wood element item, in their office. However, they should not insert them into water or soil. Pigs add fire. The people born in a year of the pig need the fire element to bring them good fortune. They should put a set of ceramic articles, including a tray, in their living rooms, because ceramic articles are baked in kilns heated by fire.